again, first grade. Now, today we get to talk about something super exciting. We get to start learning and telling time. So, in front of you I have a clock, and then at the bottom is also a clock. And you're going to see clocks two different ways. And so let's just start by looking at our clock. You can see that around the clock we can count, and it starts right here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we've made it all the way around the clock, and we're back to 1. So there's only 12 numbers on our clock. And those are the hours. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. We've heard all of those before. So let's start by, I'm going to write a time down in my digital clock at the bottom. Let's say it is 1 o'clock. Okay. Now when we draw it on our clock at the top, there's always 2 hands, which just means like 2 pointers. There's a long hand and there's a short hand. The short hand tells us the hour, and the hour right here is 1 o'clock. So my short hand starts in the middle and it points at the 1. Easy enough. Now the long hand is the hand that almost touches these big numbers that are around our clock, and it's going to tell us the minutes. And right now our minutes are at 0, which actually means it's going to point at the 12. And right now that's the only kind of times on our clock that we're going to worry about is when the minutes are at 0. So anytime you see they're at 0, the minute hand, the long hand, it points at the 12. Okay, so don't forget that. Okay, so let's try a new one. Let's try 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Now remember, this is the short hand. It's going to tell me the hour. So the short hand points at the 3. The long hand tells me the minutes, and Mrs. Denny just told you that whenever it's at 0, it points at the 12. And it should just about touch the 12. So we need to make sure that you can tell the difference. Short hand, long hand. I should be able to tell that one's short and one's long. Okay, let's do just one more. Let's try 10 o'clock. Okay, this number tells me the hour. That is my short hand. I'm going to put my short hand pointing at the 10. These, the zeros, it's 0 o'clock, so it's going to point at the 12. Long hand at the 12, short hand at the 10. So today when you go to do your worksheet, you're going to have one side of clocks. The clocks on the top have this part already drawn, and all you have to do is write in the bottom what time it is. And there's 3 clocks at the very bottom where you get to draw the hands, and this time is already written for you. The other side is stuff that we've already practiced. Have fun, first grade!